Romans chapter 13 verse 8, owe no one anything except to love one another, for he who loves another has fulfilled the law. Some people are expert at putting their demands on you and trying to keep you doing and saying what makes them happy. They play upon a false sense of responsibility and have an idea that say, I have got to keep them fixed and cheered up. I have to call them every day or they will get upset. If I show them how much I care, they will be my friend. You need to know that the only thing you really owe people is to love them. That doesn't mean you have to keep everyone happy and let people put their demands on you. That is carrying a debt you don't owe. Always be respectful and kind, but if you go through life trying to please everyone, the one person who won't be happy is you. Come out from under that debt and don't be people pleaser.